Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here for cutting-edge tech news, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered humanoid robots, because things just got wild. From China's jaw-dropping robot dancers, to Tesla's Optimus facing stiff competition, and even NVIDIA teaching robots to move like pro athletes, the race is officially on. Let's break it all down. First up, we're heading to China, where Unitree is making waves with its quadrupedal robots. These robots are not just a technological marvel, but a glimpse into the future of robotics. These aren't your average robot dogs. They're agile, intelligent, and surprisingly affordable. Imagine a robot that can navigate complex environments with ease, thanks to its advanced sensors and algorithms. We're talking backflips, synchronized dances, and even the ability to pull a car. These feats are not just for show. They demonstrate the incredible balance and strength these robots possess. Yeah, you heard that right. The reactions from people who witness these robots in action are priceless, ranging from sheer amazement to curiosity about what else they can do. Unitree's robots are packing some serious power into those sleek frames. They are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making them suitable for various environments. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool tricks, but what about real-world applications? Well, these robots are not just for entertainment, they have practical uses that can revolutionize industries. Well, hold on to your hats because Unitree is already making moves. Their robots are being tested in various settings, from industrial sites to urban environments, showcasing their versatility. Imagine these robots patrolling industrial sites, inspecting hazardous environments, or even delivering packages right to your doorstep. The possibilities are endless and the impact could be profound. They're designed to be customizable and adaptable, making them perfect for a wide range of industries. Whether it's healthcare, logistics, or security, these robots can be tailored to meet specific needs. One of the things that sets Unitree apart is its focus on making robotics accessible. They aim to democratize advanced robotics, making it available to businesses of all sizes and even individual researchers. Their robots are significantly more affordable than some of the competition, which is a game changer for businesses and researchers looking to get their hands on this cutting-edge tech. This affordability opens up new opportunities for innovation and experimentation. And with their open-source platform, developers can create custom applications and push the boundaries of what these robots can do. This collaborative approach fosters a community of innovators who are constantly finding new ways to utilize these robots. But Unitree isn't stopping there. They are committed to continuous improvement and innovation, always looking for ways to enhance their robots' capabilities. They're constantly innovating and pushing the limits of what's possible with their robots. From navigating rough terrains to performing intricate tasks, these robots are designed to handle it all. We've seen some pretty impressive demos of their latest models navigating complex terrain, performing intricate tasks, and even interacting with humans in surprisingly natural ways. These interactions are not just mechanical. They are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. It's clear that Unitree is in it for the long haul, and they're determined to make their mark on the future of robotics. Their commitment to innovation and accessibility sets them apart in a rapidly evolving field. So, what does this mean for the rest of us? It means that we are on the brink of a new era where robots will play an integral role in our daily lives. Well, it means that the future of robotics is closer than you might think. With advancements happening at a rapid pace, we could soon see these robots becoming a part of our everyday routines. With companies like Unitree pushing the boundaries of what's possible, it's only a matter of time before these robots become a common sight in our everyday lives. Imagine walking down the street and seeing a Unitree robot assisting with various tasks. And who knows, maybe one day you'll even have a Unitree robot dog of your own. A companion that's not just a pet, but a smart, helpful addition to your household. Next up, we're shifting gears to Tesla, where Elon Musk has been making headlines with his vision for the future of robotics. His ambitious plans are not just limited to electric vehicles or space travel. They extend into the realm of artificial intelligence and robotics, aiming to create a future where humans and robots coexist harmoniously. Enter Tesla Optimus, a humanoid robot designed to revolutionize the way we live and work. This isn't just another robot. It's a bold step towards a future where robots could become an integral part of our daily lives, assisting us in ways we never thought possible. Now, Tesla isn't new to the robotics game, having already implemented various robotic systems in their manufacturing processes. These robots have significantly improved efficiency and precision in Tesla's factories, setting a high standard for industrial automation. But Optimus takes things to a whole new level. Unlike traditional industrial robots, Optimus is designed to operate in human environments, performing tasks that require a higher degree of dexterity and intelligence. Imagine a world where robots handle those repetitive, mundane tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling endeavors. From cleaning parks to assisting in markets, the applications are endless. That's the promise of Optimus, and while it's still in its early stages of development, the potential is undeniable. Engineers are working tirelessly to refine its capabilities, ensuring it can safely and effectively interact with humans. Tesla's expertise in AI, battery technology, and manufacturing puts them in a unique position to bring this ambitious vision to life. Their advancements in these fields are crucial for developing a robot that is not only functional, but also reliable and efficient. One of the key differentiators for Optimus is its intended integration with Tesla's existing technology. This synergy could lead to a seamless interaction between robots and Tesla's other products, creating a cohesive ecosystem. Imagine Optimus seamlessly interacting with your Tesla vehicle, navigating roads and highways with ease. This could transform the way we think about transportation and mobility, making it more efficient and interconnected. Or picture it working alongside humans in Tesla's factories, optimizing production processes and boosting efficiency. The collaboration between humans and robots could lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. The possibilities are vast, and Tesla is just scratching the surface. The integration of Optimus into various aspects of life and work could pave the way for a new era of technological advancement. But Optimus isn't without its critics. Some argue that the technology is still years away from being commercially viable, and there are significant hurdles to overcome before it can be widely adopted. Some argue that the technology is still years away from being commercially viable, while others question the ethical implications of a future where robots play such a prominent role in our lives. These concerns are not unfounded and warrant serious consideration. While others question the ethical implications of a future where robots play such a prominent role in our lives. The debate around AI and robotics is complex, involving questions about job displacement, privacy, and the potential for misuse. These are valid concerns, and it's crucial that we approach the development of AI-powered robots with caution and careful consideration. Ensuring that these technologies are developed responsibly is paramount to their successful integration into society. However, there's no denying the potential benefits of this technology. From assisting with household chores to providing companionship for the elderly, the positive impacts could be significant. From assisting with household chores to providing companionship for the elderly, Optimus has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. It could offer support to those who need it most, enhancing their quality of life. Optimus has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. The robot could become a valuable tool in various settings, from homes to workplaces, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. And with Tesla's track record of innovation, it's hard not to be excited about what the future holds for this groundbreaking robot. The journey of Optimus is just beginning, and it promises to be an exciting one, full of possibilities and challenges alike. Chapter 3. Figure, the future of movement. Finally, let's talk about Figure, a company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-powered movement. This innovative company is at the forefront of a technological revolution, aiming to redefine how we perceive and interact with robots in our daily lives. They're not just teaching robots to walk, they're teaching them to move with the grace, agility, and precision of professional athletes. Imagine a robot that can run a marathon, perform gymnastics, or even participate in a triathlon. The possibilities are endless. We're talking about robots that can dribble a basketball, perform complex dance routines, and seamlessly integrate into activities that were once thought to be exclusively human, and even master the art of parkour. These robots are designed to navigate complex environments with ease, showcasing their ability to adapt and overcome obstacles. Figure's secret sauce lies in its cutting-edge AI technology, which allows robots to learn from vast amounts of data and adapt to new situations in real time. This adaptive learning capability is what sets Figure apart from other robotics companies. This means that instead of being programmed for specific movements, Figure's robots can learn and evolve their skills over time, just like humans. They can practice, improve, and refine their abilities, making them more versatile and capable. The implications of this technology are far-reaching. It opens up a world of possibilities where robots can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, performing tasks that were once unimaginable. Imagine robots that can assist with search and rescue missions, navigate disaster zones, and provide critical support in times of need. These robots could be the difference between life and death in emergency situations, or even compete in professional sports. The idea of robots participating in athletic competitions is no longer science fiction. It's becoming a reality. Figure is opening doors to a future where robots are no longer limited by their programming but can instead learn and adapt to the world around them. This adaptability is crucial for their integration into various aspects of society. But Figure's vision goes beyond simply creating robots that can move. They're envisioning a world where robots can take on roles that enhance human capabilities and improve our quality of life. They're building a future where humans and robots work together, each leveraging their unique strengths to achieve common goals. This collaboration could lead to unprecedented advancements in various fields. Imagine a world where robots handle the physically demanding or dangerous tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. This symbiotic relationship could revolutionize industries and improve efficiency. Imagine a world where robots handle the physically demanding or dangerous tasks, freeing up human potential for more creative and strategic endeavors. While humans focus on creativity, problem-solving, and innovation, this shift in responsibilities could lead to a more balanced and productive society. Figure's work is a testament to the incredible potential of AI and robotics. Their advancements are not just technological feats, they represent a new era of human-robot interaction. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, they're not only shaping the future of movement, but also redefining our relationship with technology. This redefinition is crucial as we move towards a more integrated and technologically advanced society. It's an exciting time to be following the world of robotics, with innovations happening at a rapid pace. The advancements we see today are just the beginning of what's to come, and Figure is a company to watch closely in the years to come. Their groundbreaking work is setting the stage for a future where robots are an integral part of our lives, enhancing our capabilities and transforming our world. So there you have it, a glimpse into the rapidly evolving world of AI-powered robots. From Unitree's agile robot dogs to Tesla's ambitious Optimus project and Figure's groundbreaking work on AI-powered movement, it's clear that the future of robotics is closer than ever. These advancements raise some big questions about the role of robots in our lives, but one thing's for sure, things are about to get interesting. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tech news and reviews. Let me know in the comments which robot impressed you the most and why. Until next time,